Even the best-built tools sometimes need fixing. When a Hilti tool does need repair, we make the process to schedule a repair as simple and convenient for you as possible. With multiple options, you can schedule your repair online, request through our OnTrack mobile app, call our customer service team, or bring it into your local Hilti center. There is no need for receipts, proof of purchase, or warranty registration. If your tool is still under the 2-year wear and tear coverage, there are no charges for parts, labor, or even shipping. If the tool is not under warranty, the cost of the repair won't exceed 1/3 of the cost of a new tool. If you schedule the repair online, through the OnTrack app or customer service, we will provide you with a prepaid shipping label and also offer several transportation options to get your tool in for repair. Pick up direct from your location or drop off at an approved carrier location. Once your tool is received at one of our repair centers, it's scanned in and sorted to be repaired by a specialist dedicated and trained to repairing your specific type of tool. The repair technician will scan the tool for history, perform diagnostics, and then make the needed repairs. After the tool is repaired, the final testing and cleaning are done. If your tool is on fleet or on track, they can be relabeled if necessary before being packaged for outbound delivery back to your location. And we guarantee in and out of the repair center in 1 day, or the repair is free. We stand behind our customers and the quality of our tools with an industry-leading repair process to match. For more information or to schedule a repair, visit our website, call our customer service team, or contact your local Hilti representative today.